So what is up with the hype around master resell rights? Everyone on TikTok is talking about it. Everyone is going crazy over this new thing. And the question is it actually worth it? So you have been hearing about this. You've decided to do some research because you're smart. You came across this video, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining exactly how this works and whether or not this is worth it for the average everyday person getting started in the online space. So master resell rights, everyone's talking positive about it. Everyone's like super excited about this thing. How it works is you are buying a course, and rather than affiliate marketing where you promote the product and you earn, usually 30 to 50% commission. In this case, you're buying the product and you're gaining the resale rights to sell it as your own. And then instead of getting a commission of it, you're getting the full 100% payment whenever you refer a new member, right? So that's pretty much how that works right here. And depending on who you buy master resale rights from, it'll look different. So, for example, here's this marketer named Michelle right here. So she's on TikTok as well. I think she's somewhere over here. I don't know, but so this is her version of the program. She has a review. She has labeled this as Learn and Earn Profits. So this is her website that she's put up, in her type of branding. So it talks about the benefits, all payments sent directly to you. This page is really laggy for some reason. Earn 100% commission, start your business with little to no monthly costs. Get out of debt fast, retire from your job within 1 year. And it goes over all of that. So 100% commissions, no upsells, free community, and all that right there. And then right here is where you can enroll for a one-time payment of $497, and then there's no upsells on the back end, right? So I want to talk about kind of the pros and cons with this. So the first thing that I will mention with master resale rights, this is actually nothing new. Everyone on TikTok is talking about this like it's this big new thing, but in reality, there's been plenty of other programs like this. There's Easy One Up, there's Exodus Elite, there is Infinity Processing System. All these programs kind of work the same, but this is kind of different in the sense where you can kind of take it, put your own branding on it, slap your own logo, but at the end of the day, it's the same exact course that you're marketing. So you're still getting, you're getting 100% commission like the other three programs that I mentioned, but in this case, it's with your own type of branding, which in this case is actually kind of good because it's like your own branding. But the pros and cons that I will mention about this, so instant 500-hour commissions sent directly to you. So you make a sale, you make $500 that gets instantly paid out to you. As of right now, there's a lot of newbies succeeding with this. People who maybe were struggling in affiliate marketing are doing really well with this. You can customize the branding to yourself, so it's like your own type of program. You could also alter the price if you want to like charge a different price or offer multiple different pricing options. So in this case with Michelle, and I don't know why this like page is really laggy for some reason. But in her case, she also offers like you could pay 5 payments of 110 per month. So you could do something like that, or you could do like 3 payments. You could increase the price if you want, which generally it's best if you keep it at 500 because that's what most people are charging. No need to worry about refunds, which can be good and bad. In that sense, you cannot buy it and then ask later on, hey, I want my money back. So that's one thing to keep in mind because you're paying the member directly, but it could also be a good thing when you're promoting it because you don't have to worry about like bringing 3 people on and let's say that all 3 of them decide, I don't want it. So you don't have to worry about people doing chargebacks. Generally speaking, what you earn is what you keep. No upsells with a question mark, which I'll address shortly. And then the program does offer some solid information. Now the cons, as far as why I've decided that I'm not going to be doing master resale rights, is that this is only paying out instant commissions only. So there's no residuals with this. It's all instant commissions. And for me personally, I like to stick with programs that not only offer high ticket potential, but also an opportunity to earn residual income as well. To give you an idea, this is one program that I promoted pretty much all throughout last year and the year before. Haven't really been promoting this one as of late that much. I kind of promote it here and there. But with this program, this pays out monthly residual income as well as higher ticket commissions on the back end. And with this, I have several members that have enrolled with me, some several months ago, some even over a year ago, a few people even over 2 years ago that still have their accounts active, and I'm still continuing to get paid every single week from this, which is pretty cool. So this is really good. And of course, I was earning more with this, when I was promoting it about a year ago, when I was promoting it a lot more. But as you could see, this does add up when you're doing ones that offer residual income as well. Then here's another one. This is a network marketing company that I promoted. Haven't been promoting this one as much as of late, but I got another 240 that's going to be paid out. And so this is why I recommend doing programs that offer residual income as well, because if you, let's say, take a break from this and you're not doing as many TikTok videos as this, or let's say it starts to become a bit more competitive, more and more people jump on this, which that kind of brings me to the next thing. This is going to get competitive very fast. So this is not easier than affiliate marketing. The only reason why people are saying that it's easier is because it's new, it's trendy, there's not as much competition as there is with affiliate marketing. But give it maybe 3 to 6 months, and this is going to be like right on par with affiliate marketing. So there's going to be a lot more people making videos about this on TikTok and on other platforms as well. And so it's going to make it more competitive for the average person getting in, starting out from 0 followers. That isn't to say that you can't do well with this later on, but generally speaking, this is when it's the easiest, is when it's brand new. So that's one thing to keep in mind. This is still affiliate marketing at the end of the day. It's still the same amount of work. You're still going to be sending traffic to your link just like how you would with any affiliate program that you're promoting. The term master resale rights just happens to have a lot of search volume on TikTok, and that happens to be going crazy. So a lot of people are doing well with this for that reason. But in the long term, this is not something that you want to be relying on if you want to create a long-term source of income online. And that also kind of ties in with the no residual aspect. If you're promoting something that pays residually, it's much better. And then as far as the no upsells thing, that's a lie, because you still need to invest in tools like an email autoresponder, a funnel builder, other things like that do cost additional money per month. Now, some will say, well, this, you could just do a platform like System.io, which is what they recommend, and this is like free funnel builder, free email autoresponder. Yes and no. You can start for free. So I mean, you do get a lot of contacts that you could hold with this. So it is pretty good in that sense. And I have heard some decent things about System.io. The email autoresponder isn't as good as other ones like GetResponse or Aweber. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And you will still need to pay for this later on down the road. So not, a lot, but just something to kind of keep in mind. Not the best option for most people. And then for some people who are brand new, $500 can still be a big investment for some people starting out. So in that sense, what do I recommend for people who are getting started online? I don't recommend starting with master resale rights. It can be good for a short amount of time if you want to ride the bandwagon and get some, $500 commissions coming in instantly. It can be good in that sense, but long term, it would be better to do something that offers more residual income. So that being said, I want to recommend an alternative that, in my opinion, completely blows master resale rights out of the water. And not only is it going to give you the ability to earn $500 on the front end, but this also has residual income built into it. And they have this company has been around for over a decade. So this product is Home Business Academy. They have a funnel builder that you get for $25 a month, very inexpensive. So it's not like ClickFunnels where you got to pay not even $97 a month. It's now like $150 a month that you got to pay, which is what a lot of other programs pay or charge. This is only $25 a month. You get unlimited funnels. You can build as many as you want. You could also integrate this with just about any autoresponder that you want. So one downside about System.io that they recommend is you get whatever that they have. You can't decide, okay, I want to get response in here. I want to use that other autoresponder. So that's one thing. That's one huge downside about System.io. Whatever comes with it is what you get. Versus here, You could use whatever other autoresponder that you want. You could even get response for free. So you could start this at no additional cost and get up to 500 subscribers with this. It doesn't show it on here, but it's somewhere on this page. They do have a free plan. But yeah, if you go here, you click, it's not a free trial, but you can sign up to get response for free if you go to the top right and you click sign up for free, and my webcam is of course blocking it. But yeah, there it is right there. So you could do that. You can get up to 500 contacts in your lead. So by the time that you hit surpass 500, you should already be making money. And then their other product here is a Traffic and Conversions Academy. So this shows you everything you need to know about how to promote your link, free and paid methods. They show you how to follow up with your leads as well. And on top of this, they also do live masterminds. There's 11 of these per week. So every Monday through Friday, they have a personal development Zoom call that you can get on. You can get on a Traffic and Conversions mastermind every Monday through Friday. And then every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern, they have the Monday night marketing mastermind. So you could easily get on any of these Zoom calls. You can chat with the owners and several other members in here that are doing really well. And one thing that I will point out with this, and this is why I like to go with programs that have been around a lot longer, is because this program, not only have they been around for a long time, but they've also been really consistent with these lives. So since 2011, they've been doing these every single week, every Monday through Friday, which is really great. So yeah, the support is really strong here. They even donate a portion of their of all sales to a charity, Feed My Starving Children. A lot of really great reviews. And one of the best things about this that I really like, that is a total, this is a huge selling point for me, is that this pays 80% residual commissions, which is almost unheard of in this industry. Usually most of them don't even go up to 50%, but in this case, with the $25 product, you get $20 a month for each customer. The premium product is $125 a month, and you get 100 of that each month for each customer. So you get 5 referrals alone to those two products, and already you're at $600 a month in residual income. On top of that, they have this other product that gives it's $500 one time, so same cost as you would with this, and it pays out $400 commission. So on the front end alone, you have the ability to earn $520 upfront for each customer, and then on top of that, it's $120 a month that you're earning in residual income. So this is, in my opinion, a much better program to go with if you're brand new. If you don't happen to have $500 to invest right up front, I recommend starting with a program like this instead. You can get started for $25 a month, and then they also have you could even get a free trial of their other product, the Traffic and Conversions product right here. Try it out for 14 days. So you just check this box right here. You pay $25 right here. And then you could decide at the end of the 14 days if you want to keep this or not. So the retention rate with this is really good because of how well they take care of their members. And that's why I recommend this product so much, and why I really believe in this really highly. So that being said, if you have any questions about this, drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts on master resale rights. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Yeah, let me know your honest thoughts down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and take care. See you on the inside.